Meaning of Del Boy.
Del Boy.
Del Boy.
Del Boy.
Del Boy. Del Boy is a nickname for the main character, Derek Trotter, in the British sitcom Only Fools and Horses. He is a lovable rogue and a wheeler-dealer, always on the lookout for the next opportunity to make a quick buck. The character is known for his flashy dress sense, his catchphrases, and his never-ending pursuit of wealth and success. Despite his faults, Del Boy's charm and humor have made him a beloved figure in British popular culture, and he remains an enduring icon of working-class aspiration and entrepreneurship.